Alright, I'd like to start off my calculus video by reminding students of the importance of proper brain food before approaching a calculus problem. And today my brain food is triple chocolate chip cookies, and they are delicious. I made them myself. And Mr. Toby, this is not a bribe, but a few might be coming to your classroom very soon for your consumption. Yeah. Okay, so now that my brain levels are properly functional from the cookie I ate earlier, I'm going to talk about calculus. And we're talking about related rates and cones, which are not nearly as fun as ice cream cones or delicious, but we tried to make this yummy. We have a soccer cone, which if there's any soccer players watching this video, you should join the track team because Mr. Toby is the coach and it's kind of awesome. Yeah. Anyways, so our cone is 4 meters tall and 2 meters. No, the radius is 2 meters. Yeah, the radius is 2 meters, which means that the radius is 1/2 of the height. That's important later, I promise. Alright, so now we're going to make some Kool-Aid. Yeah. Kool-Aid. So I'm going to pour the Kool-Aid into the cup, and it will go into cone. It's a cone. It'll go into the cone at 2 meters cubed per second, minute. Alright, and so now we're going to find the rate at which the height was increasing when the volume of the liquid was at 3 meters. Alright, now that we've done the demonstration, time for the math part, which is the important part. Helping me out with math today is Anakin Skywalker, R2-D2, Dino the Dinosaur, Captain Blackbeard, and Jack.
Sparrow?
Maybe. Okay, so what we know so far is that dv dt is equal to 2. The height is equal to 3. The radius is equal to 1/2 of that, so the radius is equal to 3 divided by 2. Okay, our volume formula for this, our volume formula is V is equal to 1/3 pi h divided by 2, that's the radius, it's 1/2 of the height, squared times h, the height. Now this is the general formula. We could use this to find the derivative for any height. We're going to use 3. Though first we're going to simplify it. So V is equal to pi over 3. And we're going to put the square in here. So h squared over 2 squared, which is 4, times h. And to simplify it even more, V is equal to pi over 3 times 4 is 12. And h squared times h is h cubed. That's a much better formula. We like that. So now we're going to do the derivative over here. And I hope you notice, Mr. Toby, I'm using purple. You're my role model. I don't like purple, but you use a purple marker, so it must help calculus go better. Anyways, so dv dt is equal to 3 times the coefficient in front, so 3 pi over 12, and then 3 minus 1 is 2, and then dh dt. And we're going to simplify that, like we know that dv dt is equal to 2. know that h is 3, so we're going to square that, and that's 9. So 3 pi over 12 times 9 times dh over dt. Okay, so we're going to simplify it some more. The 3 can be canceled out, and this becomes a 4. That's 1 on top. Okay, so 2 is equal to 9 pi over 4 dh dt, and we want the dh dt, which is the rate at which the height is increasing. We want that by itself, so we're going to multiply by 4 over 9 pi. So 2 times 4 over 9 pi is equal to dh over dt. And to simplify that, that is 8 over 9 pi dh dt, and that would be in meters per minute. And that is the derivative of the height. And we'd like to give a special thanks to Rufus, our cameraman. He's not very camera friendly. Alright, and helping me mathematically today is Anakin Skywalker, Dino the Dinosaur, R2-D2, Captain Jack Beard, Captain Jack. Shreya, please cut that part. As we pointed out earlier, the radius is half of the height, so radius is equal to h over 2, or 3, you know, that's a 3. Yeah, is equal to 8, no it's, oh my goodness, h pi over 12 h cubed. There we go. Alright, now we're going to derivative. Right. Okay, so now we're going to simplify it some more. Wait a second. Why is that 3 there? Oh, okay. Mr. Toby, I hope you enjoy this video because Kool-Aid is now ruined for me. I will never drink Kool-Aid again without thinking about calculus, and calculus sometimes makes me want to cry. Thank you.